All right, so this is our video, my first video on the Spring Break packet. All right, so I'm going to talk about three things. I'm going to talk about zero slopes, undefined slopes, and pretty much how to read a equation of a line using y equals mx plus b equation. All right, so if a graph has a zero slope, that means that there's going to be a straight line going through the vertical axis. And let's go ahead and classify these. So this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. So if a graph it has a zero slope, there's going to be a line intersecting the y-axis. If a graph has an undefined slope, it's going to be a straight line intersecting the x-axis. And in physics, what this means when you have a zero slope, that means that whatever object has a zero velocity. And in physics, undefined slope means that the velocity, it does not exist at all. It's undefined. You're not able to define it. All right. And over here, we're going to do just a simple classification of how to read a equation of a line. So equation line starts off with the base y equals mx plus b. And let's say, for example, our equation is y equals 2x plus 1. What is the slope and what is the y-intercept, or what is m, what is b? All right, so remember, m stands for the slope, how fast, and b stands for the y-intercept. And that is the point that is intersected on the y-axis, okay? So in our equation here, the slope is going to be 2, and the y-intercept is going to be 1. All right, and pretty much you just look for the number that's next to the x. That's always going to be the slope, and then the number that is by itself with no variable around it, that's going to be b, the y-intercept.